In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of Grok AI on your phone. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap, so you can quickly and safely sign out, whether you're switching devices, handing your phone to someone else, or just taking a break. Start by opening the Grok app on your phone and make sure you're on your main account screen. Give it a moment to fully load so everything is up to date. If the app opens to the last page you were using, that's perfectly fine. You don't need to change anything yet. The goal is simply to get to the area where your account controls live. Now, look for the icon that takes you to your account area. On most phones, this is either your profile picture or avatar, typically in the top corner. In some layouts, you might see a small menu icon with 3 lines or 3 dots instead. Tap that icon to reveal your account options. This is the quickest route to the controls that affect your profile and your current session. From the menu, find and tap Settings. It's usually labeled Settings and often accompanied by a small gear icon. This is where Grok groups account controls, privacy options, and other preferences. If it doesn't jump out right away, glance near the top of the list or just below your profile details. Apps often keep this section consistent but compact, so a quick scan usually does the trick. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down. Don't rush this part. Many apps place sign-out options near the bottom to prevent accidental taps. As you reach the lower part of the page, you should see an option that reads Log Out or Sign Out. Tap Log Out. If the app asks you to confirm, go ahead and proceed to complete the sign-out. You'll know it worked when you're taken back to the Welcome or Sign In screen. That's your visual confirmation that your session on this device has ended. If you plan to log back in later, make sure you remember your sign-in details. If you use a password manager, double-check that your credentials are saved before you sign out, so getting back in is smooth. If you don't spot the account icon or the settings option right away, try returning to the app's main screen and look again for your profile image, a person-shaped silhouette, or the small gear symbol. On some devices, design tweaks can shift things a bit, but the path remains the same. Go to your account area, open Settings, scroll down and tap Log Out. That's it. Open Grok, tap the account icon, go into Settings, scroll to the bottom and tap Log Out. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign out with confidence on your phone.